Hi guys, happy Friday. Let's jump into our daily lesson for today. Today we're going to talk about special products and like different specialization from countries. And we're going to talk a little bit about trade. There is a Schoolhouse Rock video. Go ahead and watch that. Okay. I'm not going to play it because the sound is a little weird, okay? But just like we talked about specialization, okay, countries also specialize. Different countries are better at making a specific product, or they make a better product than other countries. Countries then trade for what they aren't good at making, okay? They are interdependent. Countries all around the world are interdependent on each other. Instead of trying to produce every single product that their citizens would need, countries specialize. That means that there are better products that come out of different countries. When we specialize, remember that means to concentrate on producing a certain kind of good or service. Imagine if you spent all of your time making everything that you would need to survive. You wouldn't have time to do anything else, okay? Some examples of this is the U.S. has a lot of great land and farmers who know how to raise cattle, so we don't grow that much rice. We import it from China, but then we're going to share beef with other countries, okay? Interdependence. This is just a relationship between two or more parties or countries in which each is dependent on the other for goods and services. Flowers and bees are independent, for example. They rely on each other to meet needs. The bee pollinates the flower. The bee collects nectar from the flower. They need each other to survive. Nations are the same way, guys. We need to trade for what we don't have or what somebody else specializes in, okay? Not only does it give us the things that we need, but it also builds positive relationships. So examples of countries that specialize in different things. Canada, very big in petroleum oil and vehicles. China makes a lot of cell phones and computers, a lot of technology. France makes a lot of pharmaceutical products, helicopters, airplanes, satellites. Germany, vehicles and turbojet propeller parts. That's very specific, but it's what they're good at. Japan, vehicles and printing/copying machines. So like if you've seen at school, okay. Mexico, there's a lot of televisions and petroleum oil. Saudi Arabia, the petroleum oil and organic chemicals are what they specialize in. North Korea makes cell phones and vehicles. The UK or Britain makes a lot of oil or pharmaceutical products. Venezuela makes a lot of petroleum oil, iron and steel. You'll see petroleum oil on here a lot, but just remember it's only available in some countries, okay? What is something, find something that you have with you right now. Look at the sticker on it, okay? Where was it made? Try to find something maybe in your book bag or the Chromebook or the pencil that you have. Where was it made? Okay? Oh, goodness. So trade, international trade. Countries exchange products with each other. That's what international trade is. But why? Okay. International trade allows countries to specialize in producing the goods and services they are best at making. Okay. It's all about specialization. Trade gives country the opportunity to specialize because they can trade. They don't have to make everything that they need. They can make what they're good at. Okay. Oh, goodness. See, trading. Right? The United States, okay, we earn billions of dollars each year through international trading with other countries. The U.S. monitors the economies of other countries because of economic problems and how they can negatively affect the U.S. economy. Countries are interdependent, which is why they monitor other economies so that they know what to expect and how to react. If the U.S. has a beef shortage, other countries might want to find different meat to use more of, okay? So the U.S. communicates that. They say, hey, we're going to have a beef shortage. We're not going to be able to trade that much. So you might want to find another meat source, all right? All right, here, there is another example on specialization in trade. But again, I cannot play it. Go ahead and complete your showing. Have a great weekend. If you have any questions, please let me know.